Wait, make we reason this thing. Now who scatter Nigeria politics like this? Before politics get meaning.
People stand for something.
Ideology dey, direction clear. But now, today you dey party A. Tomorrow, you don cross go party B. No explanation, no shame. And
Meanwhile, now we dey suffer am. Prices dey rise, hope dey fall. But leaders no send.
dem go talk, promise heaven and earth. But after election, everywhere go just quiet. So wetin really happen? Why our leaders no get stand again? Na system spoil them, or na dem spoil the system? The truth no be wetin you think. E dey pass that. Ideology don die. Na money don replace am. Power no be service again. Na business. Election time, dem go remember you. After that, you no go see them again. And we sef, sometimes, we dey enable am. We sell our vote. We keep quiet. But the fit change. If we wake up, if we demand better, if we stop to dey celebrate nonsense, a better Nigeria is possible. Nigeria no spoil. Na mindset we need reset. If you believe say change possible, drop your mind for comments. Watch full video now for YouTube, Pidgin Vibes.